Welcome back, guys. Okay, like I said, we are going to be proceeding with doing the major work on this course, which is replacing the demo content. Okay, what we have, we're going to be replacing it with our own content. Whatever we do not have content for, we are just going to delete. Okay, and then to make this course as fast and brief as possible, we are not going to be adding or adding any other sections. So I'm going to explain what the section is, or adding any other. We're just going to be replacing so that the course can be as fast as possible. Okay, and basically it should help you get a professional site done. Okay, so to do this, you just come here and click edit with Elementor. You see edit with Elementor. Okay, edit with Elementor, not this but this. Okay, just right click, open a new tab, or you can just go straight to edit it. And then when you do that, this is what comes up. Okay, now Elementor arranges in section. Okay, some other things may arrange in columns and rows. Okay, but here I think the sections and then in columns. Okay, so this is one section. You can see the boundary. This blue boundary is this section. There's another section here, blue boundary, and then another section here. Okay, and then the individual things inside the sections, they are called what different elements. This is a text element, this is a text element, this is a text element, and this is a button element. Okay, and then text elements, a header, text elements, and just like that. Okay, this is an icon, element. Okay, so and a host of others. So we're gonna be taking it one after the other. Okay, so now to select this section, one thing we have to do is the first thing we're going to be doing is to remove this image. As you can see, this image is a background image for this section, so we're going to be removing this image. And to do that, we're just going to right click and edit section. Okay, then the section properties will pop up. This are the section properties. This is the layout in case you want to change anything here. This is style, and then this is advanced in case you want to choose motion effects, responsiveness, attributes, and also. Okay, so we're not going to bother with a lot of things here so that we can be as precise as possible. So we want to change the image, so I'm just going to go to style. Okay, and here's the background image, so I'm going to choose image. Okay, I already have one here, but if you don't already have, all you have to do is to click on the upload button and then browse to where you have the image. Okay, make sure the image you are choosing is very light. Okay, so let me do this. Okay, so it has uploaded. Okay, all right, but I'm not going to be using this. I'm going to be using this image. Okay, so select that, insert. Okay, so you can see how it looks. Okay, and then some of my text are not showing, so I want this thing to be a little bit further right. So I'm going to do something and say, okay, center right. Okay, center left. Okay, so it's a little bit further now, so that whatever I'm writing here would appear very well and come out very well. So then let's say, okay, welcome to web design class. So this is an element, like I said. Now I want to edit this element. Okay, as soon as I click on it, you see the element properties is going to come up. Okay, so fastest add. So I want to remove this text now, just replace it with welcome to my class. Okay, and then I want to edit this too. Okay, and say web designing website in one day. In one day. Okay, all right, then of course create your own website in minutes. No coding sticks required. And then this is a button. Okay, and then I'm going to leave the button as this. Okay, maybe let me change the context of the button. Okay, once you select an element, like I said, the properties of that element will come up. So you can see this is the button type. You can decide to change the type, info. Okay, success, warning. Okay, All right, so I'm just going to leave it at info. So more info, let me just change that to learn more. Okay, learn more. All right, and then there's a link. Okay, okay, I'm just going to put a link so that whenever it's clicked, a link. So I want to put a link to this particular course on it. So that is the link. So whenever that button is clicked, it goes straight to this page. Okay, that is it now. But I'm not okay with the colors. As you can see, you have to try and make your site look as professional as possible. Okay, I have red. Usually one of the first things I ask from a client is what's your logo. I want to see your logo. I want to see the colors in your logo. So from your logo, I can choose to use the colors in your logo. You can see there's a blue here and then there's a red here. Of course, this is an image. If you can get an image that has the kind of colors you want, it's also very, very perfect. Okay, so I want to change this to I want to see how red will look. Okay, so I'm going to see if I can. I'm going to work on the colors. So to do that, you're going to come to styles. All right, so you see text color. Okay, text color, let's say red. I need the right color. Okay, I think that's looking much better. Okay, all right, so I'm going to just copy this color code so that I can use it in the other colors. Okay, so I'm done, and then come here to the next one. I still want to maintain the same color, so go to styles and then color, and then I'm just going to copy that code there. Okay, and then just click outside the box. Okay, and then this, let's see if this will make sense with a white color. Let's see if it will make sense with a white color. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. Okay, I still prefer the red. All right, and then okay, and then the last one is the button. Okay, I'll prefer, let's see if we can have another variant of blue for this button. Okay, so I'm gonna come to style, and then I'm gonna go to, I have text color, which is white. Okay, with background color, let me see if I can have another variant of blue. Okay, I think this is better. Okay, all right, I think we are good. All right, once you are done editing, the first thing you want to do is to just click on update. All right, so, and then always preview your site to see what it looks like in real life. Okay, all right, so you can see that I think that is looking so much better now. Then you can always inspect and see how it is on mobile. Okay, I think that is okay, that is perfect for me. All right, in the next lesson, I'm going to show you how we're going to edit on this next section. Thank you.